Anak, your mom will always be a part of us. Pero hindi natin pwedeng harangan ng sarili nating happiness. Dahil lang takot tayo na makalimutan siya.
We're not forgetting her. We're honoring her.
At continuing to love. And allowing ourselves to be loved again.
Kung talaga may namamagitan sa inyo ni Wilfred at pag-aari mo siya, bakit hindi siya ang kausapin mo?
Ano sabi mo?
Kilala ko si Wilfred. Hindi siya lalapit sa babae kung may karelasyon na siya. Ibig sabihin lang nun, walang namamagitan sa inyong dalawa.
And how long have you known him, huh? Compared to me, na since college days, kilala ko na siya? Oh, Lorena, Wilfred and I go a long way back. So stay in your lane. Sinira mo na yung buhay namin ni Amar noon. I won't have you ruining my life again. Get it?
Di ako sumira sa buhay mo, Ma'am Ronnie. Ikaw. Alam mo yun.
You know what I'm capable of, right?
Ay, ma'am! Kung gusto niyo mag-eskandalo, wag po dito, umalis na kayo.
Manang! Wow! So ano yun, nag-downgrade ka para maging alalay ng dating alalay?
Alam niyo, ma'am, kung ayaw niyong umalis, meron akong bit-bit na guard. Guard! 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 May kailangan paalisin dito!
Stop! Lorena, consider this your warning. Okay? Hanggang dito ka na lang.
Guard!
And don't you dare na sabihin to kay Wilfred para siraan ako or else malalaman niya lahat ng bahong tinatago mo. Okay? Tapusin mo na ang pangaagaw sa mga bagay na pag-aari ko.
Guard! Guard!
Please, oh guard! May kailangan sila dito!
Hintayin mo! Hintayin mo!
Pain to?
Alam mo, hindi yan ang pipigil ng mga plano mo, ha? Kung saan ka masaya, nak, doon ka. Gawin mo. Hindi lalo siya ang magdidikta kung anong deserve mo at hindi.
Your driver. How are you guys? Where guys?
Amber! Baby girl! Happy, happy birthday! Happy birthday! How are you?
So ano, di pa kayo nagsisimula? Sino pa bang hinihintay natin? Alam mo ba, Amber, nag-workout ako kanina para makakain ako ng marami ngayon dito sa birthday mo.
That's good, Tita.
I'm so happy for you. Are these your friends?
Apo, this is Chris.
Hi,
This
hi.
is Ruth.
Hello.
My Tita Ronnie.
So nice to meet you, girls. Are you guys having fun?
You made it. You okay? Don't worry. I got you. Everyone, I want you to meet Lorena.
Come on, you should meet Tita Lorena. Yes, let's go. Hi. Happy birthday. Thank you po. Oh, these are my friends.
Hi.
Ruth and Grace. Nice to meet you.
So glad you made it. So have you eaten?
Wow! So this is the Lorena that Amber has been raving about. Finally, we get to know the face behind the person that Wilfred is now seeing. Hey. But I'm just curious. Do you really know who she is? Everyone? At kung ano yung nakaraan na tinatago niya. Everyone! I want you to meet Lorena. Ang dati naming kasambahay. Yes, you heard it right. Ang tagalinis namin ng sahig, tagalaban ng damit. Yes. Alam nyo, si Lorena, nung una, tahimik lang yan, hindi umiimik, sunod-sunuran. Pero habang tumatagal, she learned how to climb to the top.
Walang masama sa pagiging kasambahay. Marangal na trabaho yun at kailanman hindi ko kinahiya yun.
So proud ka pa! Proud ka? Proud ka rin ba? Na nilandi mo yung asawa kong si Amar para sa pera? Tapos ngayon, si Wilfred naman yung target mo.
Kapag may ginawa siyang masama sa inyo, ako ang unang makakalaban niya.
Para kung malaman nila yung totoong dahilan kung bakit ako tumakas, paano kung nalaman nila na kapatay ako ng tao?
I hope someday soon you'll consider moving in.
Hindi ba nakakahiya? Bahay yung Jocelyn.
Hindi siya yung asawa mo and she never will.
If you want to stay in our lives, know your place and stay in it.